wants me to marry Demetrius, but I do not.
Do not be afraid, Romeo. My love for you is strong. I will not let anyone separate us.
Rania, but other chosen. You should marry me. Demetrius, I respect you, but I cannot marry someone I do not love.
Romeo, there is only one solution. Let us run away to the forest.
Run away, that sounds evil.
But if we stay here, we will never be together.
What are you trying? We can't escape from the forest and marry them. Isn't it dangerous?
I'd rather take the risk than lose the chance.
Isn't it firmly and listen? I will follow them. Wait for me, my love.
Fuck! Look at this human. Their love is full of confusion.
Yes, my king. Humans are very strange creatures.
Perhaps we should help them.
The forest is dark and it's cool.
Do not worry, Anya. I will protect you.
Wait for me, do not leave.
Helena, why do you keep chasing me?
Because I love you.
Your love only annoys me. Fuck, I feel sorry for Helena.
Yes, she loves someone. We must love her back.
Take this magical flower.
What does it do?
When its juice touches someone's eyes, so they will fall in love. First they see,
What does it do?
so use it on Demetrius, so he will fall in love with Helena.
My thunder, I am very tired.
That's crafty.
Ah, a young man from Athens. This must be Demetrius. So when she wakes up, he will fall in love with Helena.
Helena, you are the most beautiful girl in the world.
This is not funny.
I'm serious, Helena. I love you.
My thunder, what are you saying?
What is happening here? Everyone is making fun of me. Fuck, you have made a mistake. Oops, I think I used the magic in the wrong way.
Fuck, this confusion must end.
I will fix it immediately. Now everything is right again. Our love has survived second touch.
Helena, suddenly I see you someone new.
Do you really mean that?
Yes, I truly love you.
This is the happiest moment of my life. My dreams are finally come true.
Love has finally found the right path.
Sometimes people only need a little money. Perhaps this strange night was only a dream.